Almost every work we need to accomplish involve computers. And most of the time, we encounter errors and worse, we end up reformatting our system. This is very tragic, especially when you don't have backups at all. And speaking of backups, this is what we're gonna be showing you right now, the simplest way to back up your computer and hopefully save you the trouble of reformatting your laptop or computer, which obviously erases everything, including your precious programs. Hello everyone, this is Weds of the Integrated School Forms Media, and welcome to another video of our segment here in our channel, Educ-Nation, Educating the Nation. We're very happy to announce that we've already established our personal host and domain for our website. Now, you can easily visit our website via www.ischoolforms.tech. We will also post a narrative of this video tutorial there so that in case you're having trouble following the video, we have a transcript of each step we will be taking in this video. That being said, let's back up our laptop. Remember that we're gonna be doing a system image backup, which is actually a full copy of our hard drive. So if it ever comes to a point where our hard drive goes berserk or crappy, we can just replace it and restore everything from this backup. You don't need to reformat your Windows and all your applications are still there. To begin with, click on your Windows icon here on the lower left and type Control Panel. Windows will give you a suggested icon so you can just click on it. On the Control Panel window, click Backup and Restore, which is under the System and Security item. In this window, on the left side panel is a Create a System Image selection. Click on it and wait for a window to open. After it loads, you will be asked as to where you will be saving your backup. For this tutorial, we'll save it on our hard disk. If your hard disk is partitioned, you will have more options here. After choosing where you'd save it, click Next. Following that will be information regarding your backup task, which is telling you basically that the backup will be saved on drive D and everything on your drive C will be backed up. Now, click Start Backup. Your unit will now start the process of system backup, and this will probably take some time depending on your computer. Choose if you wish to create a system repair disk. In other words, it means we will have a copy of this backup on a CD. We generally recommend you to do this, and by doing so, you only need to click Yes and then insert your rewritable CD on your optical drive and click Create Disk. But I don't have a CD here with me, so I won't be able to show that as of this moment. I'll just click on OK, and then click on Cancel. And since the backup is completed successfully, I'll click on Close. Next time, I'll be showing you how to use this system backup from your CD and as well as from the separate drive. So that's it. We've successfully backed up our system, and in case of emergency, we can just use this system image restore for our laptop, and we won't be needing to go through that tedious reformatting process which basically kills everything we've worked for our unit. By the way, please send us some love by subscribing to our channel here on YouTube, and be sure to click that notification bell to keep yourself updated from our weekly videos. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and be sure to visit our website for more amazing articles, free templates, and all other stuff. This is Sir Weds of the Integrated School Forms Media. Until next time, remember, keep it simple, efficient, and ambitious. See ya!